Hey everyone, this will be an unboxing here of an Amazon renewed iPad Pro. This is the 2021. This is iPad Pro 12.9 with the M1 processor in it. So it came in this box. It'll be the first time I am looking at it. And it was of course wrapped up in, actually got delivered by FedEx, but it was from Amazon. So that is the tablet itself. That's a little bit scary. And then you get a really crappy charger and 20-watt charger from Shark. And then some instructions, I guess. Okay, so that's really crappy for such a nice device. This is, yeah, that's not what I was expecting. That's rather bad. One tiny layer of plastic wrap on a almost $500 device is not great. This thing is cold, of course, from being outside. Just a little bit dirty. Otherwise, it looks like mine is in really good shape. Try to take a look around it and look for any scratches or anything else. Again, this thing is like 5 years old now. This is from 2021. It's now 2026. So we have volume rocker there. We have for our keyboard, I do believe. We have our speakers and our USB-C. I'm not going to be turning this device on because, like I said, it is very, very cold. Today is like in the 20s. It was sitting outside for a little bit, and it was in the guy's truck for a few hours. So then, looks like a little bit of smudging there, but nothing bad. Mics, nothing else. 2 more speakers and more mics, and then the power button. Take a look at the back here. So again, a little bit of dirtiness, but I mean, again, this thing is not a brand new device, so it's kind of to be expected. They could have done a little bit better job here. It's hard to see on camera, but it's quite a bit grimy around the camera, but again, that is okay. No scratching that I can really see, or nothing major, at least. I mean, your minor, very minor scratches that you're going to get on everyday use of the device here. And then, of course, down there is, again, for the keyboard, I do believe, as well. Yeah, so this thing is in fantastic shape. Kind of surprising with how badly boxed it was. But yeah, I mean, I really see like no scratches on here. Don't even really see any minor scratches for that matter. Just a little bit of smudges here and there. But yeah, this thing is in awesome shape. Again, I think I paid like $480 plus taxes, so about $500 for it. Again, this is the M1. So far, I would say this thing is awesome. I'm going to let it sit here for a bit and warm up. You guys can see you can see the, what do you call it, condensation or whatever you call it from the cold. You're getting into the heat. Yeah, so far, very pleased. Of course, we're making a bunch of videos on this, and I'll make another one showing how good it actually is. Thanks for watching, guys. See you all next time. Goodbye.